Hello everyone, this is Charles Folkart, December 27, 2016. Welcome. Hey, I get tired of all these spinning spirits telling me I don't know anything about science. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm a retard, idiot, conspiracy theorist, etc. So I came up with this little simple project for these kind of people, and the next time they accuse me of the previous ad hominem, I'm going to refer them to this slideshow on a video, and I'm going to give them the challenge of proving us wrong. So why don't one of you spinning spear globalists complete this simple project? Number one, how far above the Earth is the alleged ISS, International Space Station, alleged to be in orbit? And I prefer that you use the information you get from Never a Straight Answer or NASA in your project. Number two, what layer of the atmosphere is that? In other words, what layer of the atmosphere is the ISS alleged to be in orbit in, according to NASA? And number three, what are the temperature ranges in Fahrenheit in that layer? And again, according to NASA, or heck, you can even use Wikipedia, because all you spinning spirits like them reliable sources. Gotta be a reliable source. And number four, what materials are the astronauts, that's a hard one to say, astronauts spacesuits composed of, according to NASA? Number five, of what materials are or is the ISS composed of, according to NASA? And number six, at what temperature do those materials turn to liquid? What temperature are those materials no longer in their original state? You can find that info here, and here's the link. It's interactive link. You'll know if you have a background in science, it should be pretty easy to figure that out, how that periodic table, interactive periodic table works. And if you need to do some homework and some research, well, get to it, buddy. Number seven, come back here and report your findings. You guys are always talking about how us flat earthers don't know any science. We're not scientific. We don't know what we're talking about. We don't use facts. Blah, 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 blah. So now's your chance. Come back here and report your findings. And number eight, I'll tell you what number 8 is when you report back with your findings. If you're not having fun in life, you are doing something wrong. So all you geocentric stationary Earth deniers, here's your challenge. Show us NASA's data is correct, and that according to generally accepted scientific principles and the laws of science and the laws of the periodic table, space flight is possible. You've just assumed it is. You've seen the pictures from NASA, and you've seen the astronauts acting inside the ISS, And you've seen all those images and you've been told what they mean. So here's your chance to actually prove it to yourself and to us. By doing so, you will at the same time show us Bible-believing primitive goat herders that we are the retards you think we are. Now, what person, I ask you, who believes in science wouldn't jump at a chance like that? You spinning spirits should be all over this, like a chosen one on someone else's idea. Oh, this is so much fun. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and make sure you check the email notifications box for the next uploaded video, and who knows what that'll be, eh? Be one of the few but increasing numbers of those who are embracing the love of the truth so as to not be deceived. And may the grace of Yahweh God, yes, the God of the Israelites, not to be confused with the Jews, has a name, and his name is Yahweh. May the grace of Yahweh be with us all. We sure need it. Be sure to visit my sites, charlesfolkart.com, keyrexreplies.wordpress, and if you need a rocket stove, my site here at RockyMountainRocketStoves.com. See ya.